Hey friends, super excited to share with you our backyard DIY fire pit project we just completed. As you know, I love creating spaces for my family to gather. I just love all the quality family time I know we're going to get from this fire pit. And the kiddos are excited because they love roasting marshmallows. I want to thank the original Super Glue for sponsoring this video and making this project happen. We're using their Total Tech all-in-one heavy-duty adhesive plus sealant. So let's get busy and let's build this fire pit. Okay, friends, so let's get busy. To me, the first step was setting the actual fire pit on the ground and make sure it was setting level. Once I was happy with that, I went ahead and did a layer of sand all the way around it, and I also took time to lay out the pavers to make sure I got the design correct. And I also went ahead and did kind of a trial run with the pavers around the fire pit and double check to make sure the pavers themselves were also running level. And once you're satisfied with that, it's time to get busy. Okay, friends, here we go. Starting with the first level. As you can see, I kept a bag of sand close by. After I would lay each stone, I would take the small 24-inch level and just continue checking off of each other to make sure that everything was staying nice and level. Then after I got done with each side, I would take the 48-inch level to make sure all looked good across, and just keep working yourself around and get level 1 done. Okay, checking over the plans for level 2. Did a dry run here to make sure everything's fitting. So let's get level 2 done. Okay, friends, level 2. Now it's time to bust out the original super glue, Total Tech all-in-one heavy-duty adhesive plus sealant. I just try to get several good beads on each paver, and as you can tell later on, I actually filled in the cracks. I should have done that here. I didn't do that, but also filled in each crack. And then just make sure whenever you set the paver, I would kind of wiggle the paver, make sure the adhesive would spread out, and it's that simple. Let's go over some of the cool features, friends. Number one, it dries in 1 hour, fully cures in 12 hours. Concrete, brick, metals, marble, tile, PVC, drywall, ceramics, porcelain, fiberglass, masonry, granite, aluminum, foam board, wood, plastics, mirrors, laminate, and so much more. This is the ideal for indoor and outdoor construction DIY projects. It was so super easy to use. So let's get back to it. I mean, come on, guys, it works underwater. Um, all materials. It just has so many endless possibilities with it. I love that it dries in an hour, like I said before. I mean, even a project like this, that I've got kiddos that are always running around climbing on everything, and this fire pit's gonna be ready to go. It's gonna dry in an hour and cure in 12. So I mean, for so many applications, that's gonna be so nice. Um, just really what it can do. And I love that it is construction adhesive, but then it's also sealant. So just endless possibilities with it. Okay, 2 levels down. Now it's time to remove the fire pit. Okay, friends, make sure you're taking care of yourself and you're doing projects like this. Always wear an awesome pair of gloves and safety glasses anytime you're especially dealing with an adhesive, and especially these pavers. They always got a lot of dust, dirt, loose rocks on them, so just make sure you keep yourself safe. One other thing I would do is take the rubber mallet and tap each paver just to make sure they're seated down in the adhesive really good. Um, and for instance, I had one or two where I actually went back and put a little sealant to kind of fill up any gaps as I went along too. Very, very, very important. Set the fire pit back into the hole to make sure it still fits. That is critical. There is nothing better than setting those last few stones. Everything fits, everything looks good. The original super glue, Total Tech all-in-one heavy-duty adhesive plus sealant. Man made this job so easy. Okay, now we need to run a bead around the top inside edge to seal the metal flange to the pavers. How about a little happy dance? Okay, friends, so that wraps up the Scott family backyard fire pit. I want to thank the original Super Glue for sponsoring this video. Their Total Tech all-in-one heavy-duty adhesive plus sealant just made this project just go so easy. And I know this fire pit's going to last because this Total Tech is just such an amazing product for inside and outside of your home. So, guys, that wraps it up. I got 2 kiddos that want this fire lit and those marshmallows roasted. So, everybody have a great day. Stay classy and take care.